Data analysis with AI is revolutionizing how organizations utilize their data to gain insights and drive decision-making processes. Using AI in data analysis involves several steps and benefits that enhance the capabilities and efficiencies beyond traditional methods. Step 1. Data collection. The first step in data analysis is to gather the relevant data. AI can help automate data collection processes, pulling from various sources like databases, social media, or cloud services, thus saving time and reducing human error. AI algorithms can also handle unstructured data, which includes text, images, and videos. Step 2. Data cleaning. Data needs to be cleaned and pre-processed to ensure accuracy. AI tools can identify and eliminate duplicates, fill missing values, correct errors, and format data efficiently. Machine learning, ML, algorithms can learn from previous clean datasets to predict and clean new data reliably. Step 3. Data integration and transformation. AI assists in combining data from multiple sources, ensuring it is harmonized for analysis. It also translates data into useful formats through transformation processes, making it possible to generate structured datasets from varied raw inputs. Step 4. Pattern recognition and predictive analysis. AI excels in recognizing trends and patterns within datasets. Techniques such as regression, clustering, and classification allow AI to forecast future trends or outcomes. Predictive analysis utilizes AI's ability to process complex algorithms, enabling organizations to anticipate future scenarios and make informed decisions. Step 5. Visualization. AI tools can automatically generate dashboards and reports, presenting data in an easily digestible visual format. These visualizations help stakeholders understand complex data insights quickly and effectively. Step 6. Decision-making and automation. AI-driven data analysis provides actionable insights that can guide strategic decisions. Furthermore, AI can automate repetitive analytical tasks, freeing up human analysts to focus on more strategic aspects of the organization. Benefits of using AI in data analysis. AI improves accuracy and efficiency by reducing the likelihood of human error in data processing. It can handle large volumes of data faster, allowing for real-time analytics and updates. Additionally, AI's ability to learn and adapt means it continuously improves and refines its processes over time, leading to more insightful predictions. By employing AI in data analysis, organizations can gain a competitive edge, making timely, data-driven decisions that aid in growth, reduce costs, and improve overall performance. AI is not a replacement for human analysts, but a powerful tool that complements and enhances their capabilities.